Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to the channel where we break down financial tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to get a virtual Discover card. If you're tired of entering your physical card details online or want an extra layer of security for your transactions, this is the guide for you. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a virtual Discover card? It's a digital version of your Discover credit card that you can generate on the fly. This means you get a unique card number for each purchase, helping protect your real card info from potential fraud. It's super convenient for online shopping, subscriptions, or even contactless payments. To get started, you'll need to meet some basic eligibility requirements. Generally, you should be at least 18 years old with a decent credit score. Discover is known for being fairly accessible, but if you're new to credit, you might want to build up your score first. Step 1. Head over to the Discover website or download the Discover app on your smartphone. Both are user-friendly and secure. Once you're there, look for the Apply for a Card section. You'll need to provide some personal details like your name, address, social security number, and income information. Don't worry, it's all encrypted for your safety. After submitting your application, Discover will review it quickly, often within minutes. If you're approved, congratulations. Now, log into your Discover account. In the app or online dashboard, navigate to the Virtual Card feature. This is usually under Account Services or Security Tools. Here, you can generate a virtual card number instantly. One cool thing: you can set expiration dates and even limit the amount for each virtual card, adding an extra security boost. Once generated, you can use it right away for online purchases or add it to your digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Before you go, remember to keep an eye on your account for any unusual activity and set up transaction alerts. Getting a virtual Discover card is a smart move for safer shopping, and it might even help you earn rewards on your everyday spends. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance hacks. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.